Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. If you have watched my video that I uploaded on Saturday, then you know the setup very well, because things have not changed much on the chart of GBP JPY, and still you can see that hardly we have any movement on the chart right now. So first of all, I would like to talk about the levels again. Keep in mind, we have a strong resistance or good resistance at 153.70, and more or less we have a support at 152.70. This is the range for the market right now, and market has been trading in this range for quite some time, or in short, market is trading in a narrow range here. So first trading opportunity is if market goes up and reverses from 153.70, we can take a sell position considering the trend of the market, because you can clearly see that the present trend of GBP JPY is towards the downside, and as we all know, trend is the important thing. Trend is our friend. Therefore, in the downtrend market, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. As a result, if market goes up and reverses from 153.70 level, that will be a very sweet spot to short the market. Okay, that is our first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market goes up and reverses before reaching 153.70, and from this trend line only, you can see that market is following a downward channel. So if market goes up from here and reverses from this black line, you can also short the market. That is another trading opportunity for us, because this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. You can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance. So as a result, we can take a short position or sell position if market reverses from the trend line as well. So these two are the safe trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP JPY. And right now you can see market does not have much movement. Market is standing at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. And sadly, when market broke the support also, market did not go down. Again, market made a U-turn. So that's why I will say that please do not short GBP JPY right now, unless you see a big fat red candle. Because always keep in mind, my dear friends, if price is the king, then volume is the queen. So if you are looking for a breakout or a breakdown, then you should have the support of volume. Market should have the support of volume. Unless the price does not have the support of volume, you cannot consider it as a breakout. It is a false breakout. So if you find GBP JPY breaking this level of 152.70, and if the size of the candle is not good enough, avoid it. Then you will get the idea that though market is trying to go down, but the price does not have the support of volume. If the price does not have the support of volume, then the breakout is not a good one. It can be a false breakout as well. But on the other hand, if market forms a big fat red candle here, then you can consider it. Okay, then you can consider it. Just wait for 4 hours. Just wait for 4 to 5 hours and just observe the price. If you see that yes, the breakout is real, go for it. Otherwise, no need to trade. Just wait for the market to go up and reverse from either from this trend line or from 153.70 level. So these two are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP JPY right now. So bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.